How to enable dark mode in YouTube. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to enable dark mode in YouTube for a more enjoyable viewing experience. Firstly, open your YouTube application on your device. Below you will see the profile icon. Click on it to reveal the new window. Within this menu, locate and click on Settings. Once clicking in the settings, you will see a General option. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the General, look for an Appearance option. Click on it and choice will present itself, offering both dark and light theme. Dark mode not only enhances the aesthetics but also can reduce eye strain, making it ideal for low light conditions. Go ahead and click on that dark theme to activate the dark mode. You can see your YouTube interface has been transformed into dark mode, creating a more immersive and visually pleasing environment. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.